We're here with Maya, who represents Elena. Unfortunately, she wasn't able to come to the States due to visa issues, but she's in Paris right now.
Exactly.
Since you're representing Elena's line, what does the world need to know about Elena's product and her collections? And tell us a little bit about what you're doing in Paris to help Elena.
I think the most important thing to know about Elena is that she's such a hard worker. And when I met her, when she had to flee Kyiv in March, she said, the first thing she said is, I want to get back to work. I have to get back to work. That's the most important thing for me. And if you can tell, the finishings are always impeccable. I mean, they spend so many hours in making each garment perfect. I met Elena through a mutual friend because this friend knew that I created an organization that helps refugees find jobs in Paris. So
what is your organization's name?
It's called Espero Atelier. And so Elena is one of the teachers there now, and she teaches other refugees sewing skills, and she's working on a collection that's made from 100% dead stock fabric.
Oh, that's awesome. And is that being sewn in Paris today?
It's being sewn in Paris right now. She's working as we speak.
Great. Will she be showing at the Paris Fashion Show?
We're confirming that this week.
Great. Well, it's good to talk to you, Maya. Thank you
so much. Thank you.